So this is my final project. Uh, so starting with the easiest parts, obviously, I'd say probably the start of index HTML was the easiest. It was all the basic stuff, and I watched all the videos from GitHub, all of these, and these were very, very, very helpful. Very helpful. And as you can see, I used a lot from those videos, especially at the start, where even I used the nav elements where I probably should have used something else. But yeah, later on I did start to deviate from those videos. But at least at the start, I was following them pretty loyally, I suppose. Styles.css was, I'd say, the second hardest part, not necessarily because it was like hard to figure out, but because there's just so much to type. So much to type in all by hand. At the end it's 212 lines. This last one doesn't count. But yeah, the hardest part was definitely unmistakably the responsive.css. This part, I didn't even know how to start. I had to get a lot of help from my friends with this. But I did somewhat get it at the end. I'm not sure if it works entirely. I tried to make it work with the inspect and lowering it down to 400 pixels, but alas, that didn't quite work. So this is what the final thing looks like. One moment. Here we are. Here's the final result here. If you can't see that, I did do text decoration 0 for this, but text decoration none, but it didn't work. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This also it's aligned to the center, but it refuses to actually go to the center. So yeah, that's that. That's my that's my final project. I think I've scrolled through just about everything. That's also index HTML. So yeah, it was fun, and it feels good to finally finish it. I'm glad to know that I did better than I actually expected myself to. It's not too far from the reference picture, so I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna hand it in any moment now.